Good medical morning. Today, we have an amazing medical case. Let's take a look. Here's what the doctor had to say. A 16-year-old boy presented to my office with 2 days of skin changes and fever. Everything started 2 days before he came into my office. He saw redness on his left lower leg, after which he developed pain in the neck, headache, nausea, and fever up to 38 degrees Celsius. The day after that, he noticed redness of his palms, and he felt a burning sensation in them. Same redness appeared in the elbow region. He was seen by a dermatologist at the same day who prescribed corticosteroid cream and ciprofloxacin, which he started to use. Are these pimples? Are they pustules? How about chickenpox? The doctor continues, I continued ciprofloxacin and referred the patient to pediatric department. I will see him in a few days. What is your opinion on this case? So leave your comments below. What is happening with this case? I'll put what a dermatologist had to say about the case in the description below. So there you go. Subscribe so you can catch any follow-ups and other interesting medical cases. And don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. And we'll see you next time.
Ever since I can remember, I've suffered with insomnia. I've tried everything. Nothing seemed to work. But then I found Rest More, and let me tell you, like seriously, it's the greatest. I slept for a full 8 hours. I woke up not feeling groggy. I woke up feeling refreshed. I actually had a great day, a great morning. It was amazing. So I stuck with it. It's an awesome product. It's not a habit for me. It's just great. I don't even know, like words can't even like describe how happy I am that I found this product. So Rest More is the way to go, guys. There's nothing out there before that would work for me, but Rest More.
Don't forget, if you like our content, then also check us out on Roku and Facebook. We'll put links below. Just check the description for links to our Facebook and Roku channels.